Hello everyone, my name is Larry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to cook orange chicken. Before we jump into cooking, here's the list of all the ingredients I used today. First, start with 2 chicken breasts. Cut into cubes. Sea salt, black pepper, and sesame oil. Just mix it up and let it rest on the side. Quarter of red onions, diced, and 3 garlic peel, minces. And for the sauce, I used 2 fresh oranges and slice 1 just for decoration. Squeeze in the bowl. Alright, fried chicken. I use 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mixed with 1 cup of water. Mix it very well before you add another quarter cup of water. Alright, dip all the chicken before you put in the deep fryer. When you see the chicken have a yellow golden brown, put on the plate with the napkin so all the oil suck into the napkin. Alright, time to make some sauce. Get the orange juice that you just squeezed. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 spoon of vinegar. Add some sugar. Little peppers. Mix it up. Make sure all the sugar are melt. Time to cook some broccoli. Bring the water to boil. Add some salt. If you watch my video, you remember the trick that add oil to the broiled water to keep the veggie green. After 2-3 minutes, pick it out. Add some oil, red onion, minced garlic, and pour all the sauce that you just made earlier. Bring it to boil and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water and pour everything in a cup before you pour on top of the chicken. And this is how you make orange chicken. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, consider subscribing my channel, and I'll see you next time.